SUI price prediction. In the last SUI price prediction, I said if we go here, we short. If we go there, we long. So we managed to get a very nice short to the downside. And we are getting a new short opportunity right here that I'm taking right now. And I'll make a video on tomorrow how it went. 328.54, 329.57. First target would be, hopefully we just target this. So a very good target would be somewhere around here. If we can get a better target with view up, we'll see, but that's basically how I plan on trading SUI. I won't waste a second of your time, so I'm just giving you the juice. 262 grand on BOOX, 28 grand on this new wallet that I'm building. If you want to learn how I trade, $117 is my course, super cheap, link in the description down below. And there's also a Signal chat if you want to tune into that. See you next video.